If you're looking to get into social media, but you don't want your face to be on camera, then this course is really good. It's very to the point, very easy to understand. And even though it's based for Instagram, you can use a lot of the information and apply it to other social media platforms as well. So I'll just go over and show you the modules quickly. So obviously you can see it on screen, but I'll just quickly sort of talk through. So there's the quick start, choosing a niche, branding, creating and optimizing your Instagram, setting up stand store, talking about lead magnets, choosing your digital products and how to create them using Canva, adding your own products to stand store. And it goes through content creation, hooks, hashtags, trending audio. And then it's got specific models on faceless marketing, growing and following, building trust, mindset, time management, automation and scaling. And then there's also a community that you can pay for, or there's a free Telegram chat. If you have any questions about it, feel free to leave them below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, as it will really help out my channel.